One of the things you will get a lot is the exact same questions. Instead of you manually replying to these questions over and over again, you can also set up an FAQ, so an frequently asked flow for this. The way to do this is by going to flows, going to add a flow and say FAQ. Let's press continue. And from here, you can set up any number of questions. So an FAQ can be things like, how can I get in touch with support? What are your opening hours? How can I make a reservation? Stuff like that you can easily incorporate inside of one flow, and it is accessible for people as well. You could even set this FAQ as your default reply if you wanted to. So the way to do this is by giving a general text, something like, so from here we can give options, all right? So for example, opening hours, one of the most requested questions that basically any business could have. So we can say opening hours. We can also provide another quick reply, and a quick reply could be, and you can keep going on and on with this quick reply. In total, you can have about 10 quick replies, and the 11th is the maximum. So this way you can set up a frequently asked flow, right? So an FAQ flow, and this will reduce the customer support questions by at least 60 to 70%. So it's really, really important. So for example, opening hours can go to the explanation of the opening hours. So we can say something like type and then text, our opening hours are, and then you can give your opening hours. The same with reservation. To make a reservation, just press the button below. And this way you can guide them to a reservation flow. So for example, press button would be make reservation. And this you can lead to the reservations flow. So if people want to make a reservation, you can say start a flow, and this flow could go to your reservations flow if you have set this up already. Let's just do a default reply for now. But you can see how easy it is to set up an FAQ flow to reduce the customer support queries. So in this regard, you will be able to set up and reduce customer support by over 60 to 70%.